Hi guys, I'm here at Lowe's Garden Center. We're going to explore what they have today. These roses are beautiful. They're 22 bucks. Let's see what kind they are. They are so pretty. Oh, they're the petite knockout roses. Gorgeous. Look at that, guys. And they can take full sun, 6 hours or more. And around here, they have the other roses. Let's see. Okay, they're like the white and yellow knockout roses. Beautiful. They're $20.98 each. But of course, if you buy them in bulk, they'll be like $16.78 each. Whew. Beautiful. Here's one right here. How about that? Isn't it pretty? Ooh, look at this one. I love it. This makes me so happy to get out here and look at these beautiful plants. Ooh, look at these. Pretty, pretty, pretty. They're $16.98. Man. Woo. These yellow tulips here. They're $6.98 for 2.5 quarts, quart size. And of course they have the smaller ones down here for $2.98. They're looking good. Look at this one. It's just ready to open up. It's ready. And these right here in the round pot, there are $19.98, the yellow tulips here. $19.98 for these. They're light pink right now, but they're gonna turn into that dark pink. Guys, if you like these type of videos, I would appreciate if you like the video, share the video, and do subscribe. These are the Pansies here. There's that's $9.98 in this container here. And they have the all white. And they have the purple Pansies in the trays for $11.98. I think it's what is it? 12 pack. You get a 12 pack here for $11.98. Look at these, they're $5.98 in this little small container here. Ooh, look at this purple. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. And we're outside, guys. They don't have the door for the inside open just yet, but there's plenty out here to see. These are Violas here. There are $11.98. You get a 12 pack. This is the orange color here. They also have them in the yellow. These Pansies are so pretty here. They look kind of like the what's my favorite plant? Petunia. But no, these are Pansies. Ooh-wee. Proven Winters Petunia, the Super Petunias. They're out, guys. They're $5.98 each. You have like that salmon color or red. And this pretty pink here. Oh my goodness, look at this. Ooh-wee. Beautiful. This Super Petunia Royale right here. No, I'm sorry guys, this is Super Verbena Royale. Yeah, the Verbena. $5.98. Have it in this color here. This pretty purple. See what this yellow is down here at the end. Whatever it is, it's trying to open up. Oh, these are the African daisies. Oh yes, this is gonna be pretty. They're $14.98, and this is a huge pot here. Oh yeah. You need 6 hours of sun. We're getting the show today, guys. Woo! $5.98 for these. Beautiful. There are daisies as well, guys. We have the white one down here. All $5.98. These geraniums here, $5.98. Dahlias here for $5.98. We have the yellow, the white, or creamy white, and the pink, and the red. Oh my word. These are $9.98 here. Gorgeous. Ooh. Look at this. You can't go wrong with that yellow, guys. It really gives your yard a pop. It's the African daisies here, and they are $9.98. Purple and the yellow. Alrighty, let's see what's over here. These are the snow cone candy tuft here, and they are $7.48. It's pretty. And these are perennials over here, guys. And these are Dianthus here. They are $4.98. Nice, and they are perennials. The last video I did at Walmart in the garden center, they had Dianthus, but they were annuals. I've never seen an annual Dianthus, and I think I said it was a perennial, but that particular one was an annual. I've never seen one, not an annual. I've always seen the perennials. So yeah, they're $4.98 here at Lowe's. Full sun. This is the creeping phlox here for $7.48. These are $7.48 right here. Grace Ward. You know I'm not gonna try it. But that's a pretty blue right there. Beautiful. Here's $7.48. Full sun. These are $7.48 as well. They look kind of like the daisies, but here's the name. And it's a mountain perennial. I like the mountain shape. They look really dense. This is some kind of lilac plant here, guys. Ballerina Lilac Armeria for $7.48. It's gonna be purple. Nice. Wallflowers here for $7.48. And these are lamb's ears here for $7.48. Really pretty. Now this is something I said I want to try this year. This is pretty. Angelina stone crop here for $7.48. And they are trailing. If you guys want to see some of my summer projects in my garden, give this video a thumbs up and let me know. This azalea here is $10.98. It's gonna be really pretty. They grow pretty quickly too. And these are these landanos over here? No, these are spireals here. And they are $9.98. Spireas. Blueberries here for $13.98. Here are the grapes over here for $24.98. Groovy grape. Oh, this is a butterfly bush, guys. Not the grapes that you eat, my bad. For $24.98. And it's gonna be beautiful. I love those. Crepe myrtles here for $24.98. Beautiful plant. A tree. What's this here? It is forsythias, okay, for $26.98. It's beautiful. More spireas here, $22.98. Okay, guys, that's all I see out here on the outside. I guess the next time I come here, we'll go on the inside to see what type of trees and all the other goodies that they may have. Here go raspberries over here, guys. Blackberries. 1 gallon for $12.98. Full sun, at least 6 hours. They even have the fig here. And they're $13.98. Okay, guys, I think I've given you enough of beauty for today. I thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.